Ublay di Baro. Ni priang subhai pitch connect top kubor upet not cable news kebajuan man gajan mates ni Ublay. Haswa bing ni kemi ki kubor ki babnia ngena phashwa ki mat bakongsan jong ka kubor menta katayo. Sya kata akti ki breo ki bamdai ki khasi hakibe shimbanta haga jingyat rally ki FKJGP. Ya soy sekolah ke sarkar bat kanipko ban penmi boarding electric. On penlong ki sang bhalang ya ke jingya ki safe new trap mission. Let jurep Menteri Rangba ke Jaka ke New Shillong Township banchna ke Secretariat ke Bathamang. Bamdo ke deng ya ke Yolat Nkra, syak tak jur kinong syong dukan. Sanlak ai ke sarkar ke long keme bejap tak maksiar ha ke jing ko be khun kti shabari. Bad ka wei ke hospital Shillong ha ke kerdan jong hospital Bapau ha ke ri India. Kaseng Federation of Khasi Jantian Garo People FKJGP ha ke sitho dieng kalau penlong ya ke jingyat patba ne ke unemployment rally ban pen isai kedar ya ke sarkar jela ya ke jingbam yo akam yo jam ki samla ke jela hendrai ke ni ke jingyat patba kalau penher serngeu penban ki babon balang ha ke baki breo ki bamdai ki khasi ke biya lenti ki la syasho akinong shimbenta ha ke ni ke jingyat patba kini ke jingyat patba kalau sedang nomot peran balayat lengba kathan kendailat IGP terter haduk benda penkut hamadan yoreng hab halat mkra. Hakaba digi spangut kilawan baneshim benta hakaba kilara kilama bat perta bandawai ke hok ban yokam yo jam. Gani ke jingyat patba kelalong kebayat bet bat kabajajai hakaba nengkong. Hakaba bongot kibriyo ki bamdai ki khasi kila khang pen stat igi dukan jongki. Hendrai tang hadian kat tokane por kiladan ki samla ki belak ta akti ye kibriyo ki bamdai ki khasi ki bayat lenti. Kani ke jingyat patba kabadai banlong kaba jai kala pen kendit igi babon ban saki bagi breu ke bamdai ki khasi kila syak ta akti bat wat ki basyong hagi thuk bat ki kaliru kila syak ta akti hagi rusyam kabu kani ke jingja kala pen her serngeu ki patba ki bayat bayeng habadan ki breu ki bamdai ki khasi kila men saujur na ke jing syasho hagi rusyam kabu wat habaki pulet bat ki bor penyak distrik ru kila don bat yat lang ban pet ban ommi kano ko huri hura Hendrai ki riusyam kabu kila syok bat keta akti ki breu ki bamdai ki khasi. Hagani ke jengja arngut ki nong thok ku boru kila syak keta akti lang hakapor bagidang pendep ya ke kamram jongki. U Presiden ke FKJGP ulapan pau ke jeng sengosi bat ulapan map halor kini ke jengja ke bam syam lapoi perkhat. Bandon ki samla ke be syam bentah ke jengyat patba bakin keta akti ki nong let nong wan. Uba dan di kongset ulu ongru bagila bandon ki breu ki bawan kenang ha kene ke jingyat patba bat ban le ka kam sneu tang ban penthok bria ya kaseng ke ba penlong ya kene ke jingyaki ke bajajai bat ke FKJGP kan sasyam khia halor kene ke jingja
Henry idan kijingja beja ke sosi ya kabang akwa dan penjajai ban pentengan ya kami sin kejing tera kejang pi samla ngapan ma bagidan ki samla kiba lapan pau kejing bidar kejang ki habil tiyat mengiyat mene bagaladan kata kejing bagla hame atai dakaba ladan kata kajing pensiosi ya pada pasal jogi kontam nagalan dipakai kok kubur pakai pensio sangat lagi bat nagalian jakahi kong presiden napa dia kajing kepenpal kajing snow si bat kaparma tapi pras kali kupur bat langit siap bat pun samla jogi kok mengakran mana kani kapadai kupur bagi penibur dengan mina pergi ini aireng bak sarkar Henry lada ke sarkar kam sedang ke kini kimat ke jing dawa ke jongi kami ke datang ke jing sedang badne ni sakmat dan ini rekam banyak Liki kisna magaliti singkin nilang tu belakoloy. Namata kalau ay jadi konsumna kajongi.
Habapaj ke jingilang patba ke belalong hamadan yorong heb. Kinong ilam jeng kiseng bhalang kelekan to ajur ke sarkar jela halor ke jingbam shimkhia ban tungkam tungjam miki samla ke jela haki kam sarkar ki balai. Bat ke sarkar ke de ban shim miki lat ban pentikna bagi company niki karkhana ke de ban tungkam miki samla. Kinong ilam jo kiseng bhalang boper ki bekentuk ke KSU, HNYF, JSU, RBYF, kilepen pawe ke jing penyau bobun ki samla ke jela kilepun lot ke por bat ke pisah joki ha ke jing pulia. Hendrai onda kilepen dap ke jing pulia kim shim layo kam satya. U Presiden ke FKJGP u badan di kongsit ulong bagi sarkar ke dibantung kam no mardor ki samla ki kam ki balad. Ki badan kumbah nyau hajar hendrai uspasan pulai teli ki tenat sarkar boper. Berkesorkar ke dairu bantaw ke State Employment Policy ban penlong ya ke jing tongkam ke bakuj basubah bat ke di benlong kat kum ki kendon an.
Mesin senang. Police good.
Inang laban telo ang yung sektor ka na. Hindi na trend na kawasya yung tadi buruk, tadi kecibak lah, bat jing feel yung kesorkar. Mapasya pun senang kakam, merubah ajibet. Ya banyak lembang yung kesorkar pun ajibet. Andai kasih ayun tu, hamdan dipindan dulu, ban pekpat hakita kena dibandon, boleh disama kasih, ikut macam pada ban terikam. Kani kapani ontang kiwan apa kacala juni, tapawan kamai andai ban kecil, ya kadut ganap nang ni apa karilu kasih kejuni, ban kaju kapor, kiwan ya kaban kangla, ikisama ban yang kalau jom tidak. Koki samla parwi ki podo parasna ai bagani kasni kendai ka sni kaban pantemau ini ke jinta ha lawai jum ki ko ti joki lawai jum ki samla kendai ka sobatang nawa kata ka kedu jam punya keren ni kisni ngindai ru ban klet mentang dengan keren kedu jam yo ka sepoi ka por nang kedu ru waktan ban bangsa Kata kajiwan jumperin na sebab, kecing-cing jumperin sebab barang kini akan macam apa kecelah cumi. Kini kasih bandang, air kasih karang ni sekmat. Kenapa perkat, kenapa pusat di polisi kita kumlo, coba tak kata bedai bagi sama coba celah macam penduduk berpuai. Kerpamlang paman apa coba celah cumi. Nampak kemauan, jika menuju keren, bangai Oslo, dan jiwa jenang di sana. Kecingkan ha kecuki yang lah pendap kecing kulit imai pa rasyan lakaran kasa bangkasan skon hadu pengendor dari kedang anda lah dia kecing kulit kabar rambiang mencik serius buat saya kakam baru ngasoban nong kata baru kecing bakla nanti bos saya kira kai kedau tengrai dalam pastain pun dari kesenang di basyong bos saya kira jadi bos kembali pilidas Kasyong ni iway pangong. Dan ini ailasa itu dibuat pencong sekretariat ginami polisi lanu. Bidang tam itu dilidas iban tahu teman, ban pratanti iban yuri jangan. Ya kalau itu macam berdeu, ya kalau itu macam kam, ya kalau itu ikut sama.
Nama keseng kadawan motor yang sarkar, bakadai ban pendap no ekti pos kibathali haki tenang saya kampa baper jong kade ke sarkar jela ke jongi nama kumba kalau peta ngilang bagidan ke banyo aja terus pasan proyekli kita kipus bathali haki dipatan baper hane ke jela ke jongi nama apa gatuk RTI ya kaba layo de iba des paseng rani hindai yang ilu ngakhat pendan lang hadi ke si membentah hadi ke por hadi de digaw bamla kya imshimla dan berkat. Jadi nak kadang limba dari ke RTI ke jongi, ni bagi dan hadu empat news hajar newsma sanpulai di kita kipos. Kepasosi kalau bau Chief Minister buat assembly, ulah cuma bangla bagi dan tentang kepala hajar di kita kikam. Kani kaba insol ini ikut sama, kibar buat kikam dijam, kaba Chief Minister dalam di ujumlah bakal hapo assembly kani ke penpau ba umdan kata ke jingit hli namata ki samla wajam hak kani ke di bagi ki jongi bantai pop egiwei banam kamde ke sarkar ke babakala himlai ki department ki officer badan hata apa DSC baper ba apa APSC kajin kali kalong mana bothong ita ka officer kamde ke sarkar lada ke sarkar ke shem kita ki officer badan pension ki kam kita ki cintuna ke deko agak kam kam ke jongi kadi ke kamram ke sarkar ban pencitong kum kita ki officer denam daya bana tenang ni sakma dalale hiru nagalan gasek nginu maya yakni kijai officer kiban lo kita ki alia jaito baginda mo ke department baper nama baliu kani kani kamba kamyam jadi kun samla ka jongi di gasek kasno dan kam palat bangi menyo no ya kani ka state employment policy hanya kejala ke jongi kena makan pelela plenty ya ki pun samla ke jongi di bawah kam wajam
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ha kesimpale jong tayo ule pentip bahaki kendiat tayo banwan onsa sedang no ekejeng ekran penbet puat ha ka wat kebaar bad Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Habai ekran beginong pathai kubor Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba ensakran penbet puat no bad ke sarkar Assam bad kadikathong jong ke sarkar MDA banele akat bala akaban penbet no ekejeng kaja puat bad Kejala Assam Uloong bagi Regional Committee kelas sedang banlum ikejing lang bat kikenhun baper bat hadian bagi la IT ke kaipot kan sedang sa kejing ekran ha pedeng ki Menteri Rangba. Uloong bagi Sarkar Meghalaya bat ke Sarkar Assam kedang up iki Regional Committee bagian pendap ikejing kendo iki Trajaka ki SIM kikenhun baper ki pat nong snong bat barok ki badan benta ha ka kame penbet put.
So different committees have been formed and they are moving forward. Some of the committees have already visited the locations and had their first round of meetings. That is the Meghalaya committee, and the process is on. And we will try to see, because there was Puja and Diwali and all these things, so we could not move forward in it. But it will be our endeavour to ensure that within the next few weeks we will try to meet with the committees and the chief ministers together to take the discussion forward.
Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong baka sarkar jela kampat yok pediang yang kakai pot nagi bor penyak distrik hakabede bat kejing syak kawang bom tiagas kinong hikai haki pulit. Uloong ba umdei pat ubreu basengut tenat ki kami senam bat umit scam ba kelenti ke babahatam kadai leng ba kejing ekran kebala banyak cekmat. Bat dei halor kan kadau buya kendo ya baro. Uloong ba kahuri hura bat ki kenrum kenram kilami namar ba semla ai jingbet kinong hikai banwantor sa secretariat. Namar bala penjari ke kendon cispa sau pusau CRPC. Bala da kedon kejing ekran sutu jingmut ke babiang hakabede bat gebenta jong kejing ai jingbet kumta ke rukam peniat ke kam kan long kebayat renti. Uloong ba imat namar bagi pulit ki i begino hikai bat kiladon ni kejing sokya yo kami kano kejing ja. Kumta kila kawang dagi tiagas kabade kelenti ke basuk tamban penprayo pat ba. Klem dan kam banyat da kelenti ban poi sya kejing senam.
But one has to see 2-3 things. Of course, I am a person who is not in favor of violence in any situations. I think in the last 4.5 years, you must have seen that. And therefore, I always, any issue that is being there, I believe that always dialogue is the best way to move forward. And that's the reason I myself also always meet everybody. In that situation, there were a lot of conflicting and complicated situations. The permissions for them to come forward to the secretariat was not given. There was section 144 that was imposed, but the teachers had come, and and of course there were women out there, and there were not enough police, women police out there. So these kind of complications came up. I guess if proper communication in terms of permissions were given, say suppose, and they had come, then I think the system would have been much more smoother. I'm guessing maybe the police and all saw the teachers and all were concerned if something may happen, and hence tear gas would be the most simplest way in one way to disperse a crowd without going to violence of any sort. So really it's difficult to say for me without really understanding what the officials went through at the grassroots level at that point in time and what led to the decision at that point in time. But I think what's important is that nobody was really seriously hurt. What's important is that these things happened, and we have taken a report and everything from everybody, and more importantly, the issues that we're trying to address, we have tried to explain to everybody about the issues that were there. So we're trying to find out in ways and means in which we can explain to everybody. We have also mentioned that we may be able to give some relief in terms of the age condonation at certain point in time. All these mentions have been done. Points have been mentioned by the Education Minister himself. So it's a complicated issue, but let's see how we move forward in that.
Hakabedai bagajing keno President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ba ke sorkar MDA ke sorkar ke badap dagijing tokit. Halor kini Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba ke sorkar kam kuak ban buri AA. Bat ke jing thong ya ke jing tokit ke ba biang ba habadan kinu jing sokya bat la ailat ke jing tokit banja bat ikikai phodu la sai madan bat ke sorkar ka kuak ban trekam hakabashai. Uloong balada ke sorkar kam syam lathung ke jing tokit kipat ba kin keno bet ba ke sorkar kalaburi ya ke jing shisha.
Because what happens is whenever there is a concern, we don't shy away from it. We have allowed the inquiries to take place, and inquiry reports all have been placed. We never even allow them to slow down, and we push. I think it's a clear example of how this government wants to be transparent. Allegations will always be there. Inquiry is the best way to ensure that a free, fair inquiry takes place and the facts come out. And in all the cases, you've seen that the inquiries have come out. We have placed the facts in front of the people, and I think there is nothing to hide. So therefore, if we had not gone for the inquiries and not done this independent, inquiries, then I think people would say that they're hiding something. Allegations are made, and time and again, these inquiries have brought out that these allegations were merely allegations. And from our side, government has never shied away from being transparent.
Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubelangru National President ke NPP. Ulang ba keseng kan ai tiket iki kertong kibati kena job iki election MLA ke Banlong ha kesenam Arhajar Arpulai. Ulang ba kejing penkre iki election kalaya caprang bat ke NPP kan ai tiket iki kertong kibat train na kebenta keseng na kebenta upat ba bat kibati kena ban job iki election. Hendrai iki election hi om dai ban kensting hendrai don kam menteri stom. Ulang ru bahaduk menta ke NPP kampat rai ki kerteng jong ki kertong ki banekon ki election banwan. Nrai kala dapat ban itu ya ki kertong ki ban yo ek tiket. Bat ki bandu ek tiket. Bat on sapen bana ha kapor ke babiang.
And we are working hard, and we are doing our best to ensure that we select the right candidates, and we're working hard to also organize a party. So let's hope for the best. Election is always tough. I've always mentioned one cannot take anything for granted, and one cannot take election as easy, and one cannot take your opponents lightly. Every opponent is a serious opponent, and it is the mindset that is important, and I want that our candidates should approach the election with a very serious mindset.
All the seats will be contested, 60 seats or?
Let's see. Maximum will be contested.
Da kejing temu baniale ban penmi syuk-syuk ke boarding elektrik ha kene ke jela. Ha kesibaar jang ketayo ke sorkar jela kala penlong ya kejing elang ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong ha ke balai soy ke saskular Memorandum of Agreement. Bat ke North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited NIPCO ban pentrekam ya ke projek penmi boarding na kawa umyam stage 1 bat ke stage 2. Ha kesengibaar jang ketayo ke sorkar jela kalai soy ya ke saskular bat ke North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited NIPCO na kebenta ban pentrekam ya ke projek ban penmi ya ke boarding elektrik lengba kawa umyam stage 1 bat stage 2 ha ke jingelang ke balalong ha Pinewood Hotel ha Shillong. Ya kini ke saskular le soy hapreng Joint Secretary ketenat boarding jang sorkar jela Didi Shira bat Director Personnel ke NIPCO Anil Kumar. Ha kabalawan ban sakilang do sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ba Preston Tensong uba kemiru ya ketenat penmi boarding u Chairman jang ke Meghalaya State Planning Board u Abdus Saleh u Commissioner bat Secretary ketenat penmi boarding u Pravin Bakshi ki Head Officer ke sorkar jela bat ki Head jang ke NIPCO. Habakran nega jingelang uba Preston Tensong uloong balengba kini ki artli ki project on penmi eka boarding ke ban kot chispa sanpo megawatt. Balong bagi sorkar kan sa IT syaka NIPCO ban pentrekam no ya ke umyam stage 3. Bat lengba kini ki lightly ki project on la ban penmi boarding ka ba ars pa lepusan megawatt. Uloong bagi jela kama nega jingeh na ka jingduna ban penmi eka boarding elektrik. Bat kumba kalong menta ka jingdon kam jong jela eka boarding kalong hendreus pa sanpo megawatt. Kat ba ka jing penmi 4 kalong lais pa sanpo megawatt. Bad ukermen scam pada gajinya soy sekolah ban pentreka migi project onla ban penmi ek boarding. Bad ulong ba gajinya soy ke sekolah kam dei ban cukut no tang hakikot kisla. Ndre ke di ban long ka ba seiso.
The total megawatt that we have signed till this evening is 235, right? 235. Umiam stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. And I'm happy to inform you that the agreement signed way back in 2019, stage 3, is right now in the final stage, right? It is now in the final stage. And I'm sure NIPCO will immediately start the implementation process. And again, the other two projects tonight, 50 megawatt and 100 megawatts. I'm sure from tomorrow itself, the officials of NIPCO will go to the ground. State government is with you all. Different connected agencies, department, as far as state government is concerned, I assure you that we are there to make sure this project is seen at the earliest possible. The challenges that we have from government to government till today in the state of Meghalaya is about the issue of power generation. Until today, we are able from the state government to generate our own power, not even 350 megawatt. And the requirement that we need is more than 650 megawatt, which is more or less, we have a huge deficit of 50% of it. Therefore, signing of agreement tonight is so important for the state government. That's why people, the residents of the state of Meghalaya sometimes, they used to ask, who is the power minister in charge? Because load shedding keep happening every now and then. And not only that, the worst part is the power purchase is more than expected. So now we decided, we walk out the possibility of transformation in power sector. But the moment we took over the government in 2018, so many private investors signed the memorandum of agreement, has to be scrapped, has to be cancelled by the government, because it is purely for the sake of signing a paper. So let me tell you, especially the officials of NIPCO, this should not be a mere signing of agreement. We need to translate it into reality. Please, I request on behalf of the state government. And very soon, let me just tell you, few more private investors whom we already entered an agreement, we are going to review it. Need be, if need be, we are going to cancel and scrap that. You know, we have the potentiality of hydro project in the state of Meghalaya is not less roughly about 3,000 megawatt. And out of which we are able to tap it, not even 450 megawatt. So huge potentiality we have. So therefore, I would like to again express my gratitude to the depot authority management because we are able again to sign this agreement, and more agreements should be signed in the near future.
Ki santali kisang bhalang gejala kile kenduk lang hakala sengi ublay jong ketayo hakanong bak shelong. Bat da kawe kejengmut kilarai ban sedang penteri kamno ya ka Safe Nyau Trap Mission. Da ka penlong ya kejeng ki baper ban penbor ke sarkar jela bakan penteri kam ya ki kendai teli kimat jengdawa. Kini kisan teli kisang bhalang kilarai ban sedang ya kejeng ki Safe Nyau Trap Movement. Ki kentup ya ka Nyau Trap Youth Council, ke East Jantia National Council, ke Jantia Students Movement, ke Nyau Trap Aceh National Movement, bat ke Confederation of Riboy People. U General Secretary ke HYC uba Roy Kuparsen Rem habai keren bat kinong patai kubor. Ulong bak seng bhalang ke sependlong iki jingeki ban penbor ke sorkar bagadai ban penteri kamno ikimat jingdawa haswa ban sedang no ka election hakajela. Ulong kisan teli kiseng bhalang kidawa ban penkenria no mardor ya ki basong basa atem metor ban kemi biang ya ke jing soy soskular penbet pot ha peneng ka Assam ban Meghalaya ha kawat ke beningkong ban pensaja ki pulet ke beden keti ban penyap unong ilam barim ke HNLC uba Chesterfield Thangkeu ban pensaja ki brew ke beden keti ki kambam sap ban weng ya ke jing ha ke jing bam yo kam yo jam ban pendam no ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act bat kiwe kimat kibakta ya kejat benriu bat ya kejela. Uba Roy Kupar ulong baki santri kisang bhalang kitse penlong ya kijing ki kibasendat.
Was staying in the sweepers colony is only concerned only with the genuine employees of the Shillong Municipal Board. We don't know whether those 342 families are all employees of the state government or of the Shillong Municipal Board. And we have already asked this question before the government. If they are not, then they should not be given that privilege of being shifted to any other place. Only those genuine employees and who are still on the job, they can be shifted. Other than that, if they are illegal settlers, they should not get a privilege of having any quarter or any job provided by the government. If you remember, the government has formed the HPC. It has been given a mandate that within 6 months they will be submitting a report to the government. But years have passed. It seems the HPC has not worked seriously. They have not been able to make or to present a report before the government. So this is also one of the issues that we are demanding from the government, that these people should be moved from that or from the sweepers colony. They should be resettled or rehabilitated, whatever the government wants to do with them. But illegal settlers should be chased out or should be evicted from that place. So this is also one of the issues that we are taking up, and we demand from the government that this issue should be settled once and for all. Because as per the information that we have, it is the HPC in which the chairman of the HPC is the speaker himself, who has the main role in how to select even the contractor, how to approve the DPR, and then that it is sent to the government. So to say that the Assembly Secretariat has no role is completely wrong. Because in one of the meeting when the former speaker Dr. Don Kupar Roy was the chairman, I remember there was a monitoring committee headed by the speaker. There was a monitoring committee formed so that supervision of the work is to be done by the Assembly Secretariat, in which the speaker is the chairman himself. So to say that the chairman, who is the speaker, who is the chairman of that monitoring committee, not to have any knowledge or anything to do with the dome collapse is completely wrong, and we condemn such a statement, and we have demanded from day one that he should take the responsibility in order to push for the government to conduct an inquiry in all this episode of dome collapse. The beginning itself, when we have made a demand for a CBI inquiry or an independent inquiry, we have made it very clear that we don't accept this inquiry to be inquiry to be made by the IIT Guwahati, because as you have stated, there was a talk here and there that IIT Guwahati is involved in other things also with the government or with the contractor. So in order to find out and in order to prosecute the people who are involved in this episode of dome collapse and in all these irregularities in the construction of the new assembly building, we have demanded for CBI inquiry. So our stand is very clear till today. We don't accept the report submitted by the IIT Guwahati, and we demand for a CBI inquiry as well as the any independent inquiry.
Ginong elam seng bhalang kile kentok persya ke sorkar MDA halor ke jingbam syemkia ban penbor ke sorkar pedeng. Ban penteri kamno ya ke ILP bat ban pendrong ya ke ketian khasi ha ke 8th schedule jong kariti sensyari. Uba roy kupar uloong bagi artli ki resolution bala menjur ke sorkar jela ki tang ki jing tap et miau bat ban penjai-jai ya ke jing ki kipat ba. Bat ke jing shisha kapau bagi sorkar kam dan setia ya ke jing mut bagi ni artli ki jing dawa ki ni jing menjur no na ke sorkar pedeng.
We have held a discussion regarding the certain pending issues which is affecting the Nyautrep people as a whole. We have seen that in the year 2019, the government under the leadership of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has passed 2 official resolutions. One which is regarding the demand for implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya, and the other is the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. But what we have found is that till date, 2 years have already passed. We are going to be in 2023, where there will be an election where we will be electing a new government. But yet these important issues of the Nyautrep people are still pending with the central government. So we find that these resolutions which were passed by the Conrad Sangma-led government are only an eyewash. It is only a ploy of the government how to make people, during that time there was protest, there was a lot of protest, but to tame that protest, they're passing those resolutions. But in fact, they have no seriousness how to make this issue ILP to be implemented in the state of Meghalaya, as well as Khasi language to be recognized in the 8th schedule. Regarding the statement made by the Union Minister, Mr. Kiren Rijiju, that that Meghalaya deserves more, and in order to get more, they should elect more MLAs from the BJP. See, this is a statement made by him politically. If the BJP thinks that they deserve, or if the BJP thinks that the people of Meghalaya deserves ILP, and in order to get ILP, they should elect more BJP MLA, then we request the Union Home Minister and the Prime Minister of India, they should come up with that kind of a proposal before the people of Meghalaya, and let the people of Meghalaya decide whether whether BJP should be given a chance to lead the state.
Nalur kani kila dawaru nak sorkar jela bakade ban penstet no yak jing thong kam mi samla ke jela kamtam haba uwe na kinong wat jing tip lang ba ka RTI ulasai madan bakidon hado prajar teligi kam ke balaj ibam pat thong breu satya. Ubaroi kuparu labu jing keliru ke ai ke bag sorkar klale halor kapisa balamang syakini kikam baca ai la pendot ikani kapisa. Bat kadawa bag sorkar ke dibantung kam no mardor ya ki samla hakikam ke balaj. Kisan teli kiseng bhalang kila dawaru nak sorkar jela ban menjur dak ordinance lani ban lumi ke dorbar kerpang jong yang dorbar tawan ke jela ban penduk pendam no ya ke an khalai. Uni unong yalam mulong bak jingyalang kelarai ru ban dawa nak sorkar jela bakadai ban kendang no ya berok kibriu ki basa ba nya temmetor bat ke sorkar kare ban pentikna batang kinong snong ki bali ojing bet ki ban yo ya ke jingerap.
As organizations, 5 organizations, to make a demand before the government that they should implement these important issues before the next election. Not only these 2 issues, we have issues like corruption. Corruption in the present regime or in the present government are plenty. We have seen the Sobhagya scheme, the smart meter, we have seen the collapse of the dome, and then the rice scam. All these scams have happened during this present regime. And time and again we have demand for a CBI inquiry as well as independent inquiry. But what this government did is that they have formed a one-man commission or an inquiry by some officer. But those reports have not yet been published or made it public. So we will be demanding for the state government that there should be an independent inquiry or a CBI inquiry, and those people who are involved, they should be prosecuted as per law. Then we have issues like unemployment. Just 2 or 3 days back, we have seen an RTI activist from the state where he has informed that there are about 8,000 sanctioned posts which are lying vacant in the state government. So we are demanding that the state government should take up steps that these sanctioned posts should be filled. Otherwise, the question that we can ask the state government is, if these are sanctioned posts, what happened to the money that have been sanctioned for these posts? Where is the government spending this money? So these are the questions that we need to ask the government, and we demand before the government that all the sanctioned posts that are lying vacant should be filled up as soon as possible. And we have the problem of job reservation. We have seen in the last, I think, past 3 or 4 months, the state government has come up with the office memorandum regarding the reservation in the DSC level or in the district level. We found out that this office memorandum is tilted towards our friends from the Garo Hills, because in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills it said that there should be 40% reservation for Khasi, Jaintia as well as Garo. But then if you look at the office memorandum, it says that in Garo Hills, our friends from Garo Hills will get 80% reservation in DSC level. So this is an injustice to the Hinyotra people, to which we have already made a demand to the state government, but till date they are yet to take a call on this. So this is also one of the issue that we will be taking up in this mission of ours. When we say about job reservation, now we are concerned only with the DSC level. When it comes to the roster system at the state level, that will be another issue which we will be taking up. But now we are concerned with that office memorandum which was notified by the state government regarding the job at the DSC level, in which our friends from other tribe, when it comes to their district, they are getting 80%, but when it comes to our district, Khasi and Jaintia Hills, we have to give them also some reservation. So we think that if they can get that 80% in their own district, why should they get another 40% in our district like Khasi and Jaintia? So when it comes to reservation, now we are concerned with that office memorandum, not with the whole reservation system. That's why we have already made a demand before the government. We have already written to the Chief Minister. We have already asked for a meeting with him so that we can sort this issue. But then it seems that he's not concerned with the plight of the Hinyotra people. That's why he's keeping mum. So what we have to do is that protest against this injustice meted out to our people.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kesimbalang jong ketoyo ulalit banjurep ekejingte ya ke Shillong Government College of Engineering Kabadan Hamaulai. Bat ya ke Cancer Wing jong ke Shillong Civil Hospital ban pet ya ke jinglong jingman ya ke rukam pentrikam ya kini ki Artlik Project ki baha kene kejela. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kesimbalang jong ketoyo ulalit banjurep ekejingte ya ke Shillong Government College of Engineering Kabadan Hamaulai. Kabelatai lembaga Rusa 1.0. Ha kani ke jinglet jurep ledan lang Commissioner but Secretary Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejela BDR Tiwari, Secretary Ketenat Pulih Putih Ambrose CH Marak, Belong State Project Director ke Rusa Meghalaya bat kibai-kibai. Kani ke Shillong Engineering College Shen kan sapene sono bat ke Sekolah North Eastern Hill University. La kami lenti besyan an saplie ya kene ke jaka pulia nak bentak jing mentoy jongki samla pulia ke jela.
How is the facilities there?
That's okay.
Facilities? Anything you
Except that we want more room for the girls hostel. Yeah.
but at least the existing ones, are they in good shape?
Yeah. Some extent, yeah. That's okay.
So you just tell us if there's anything to be done. I want to make sure that this. Okay. That will have to be maintained also properly. Girls hostel. That is going to be used for also the games, but they will be used for police officials and all.
That is for police and the other one is for. That's what I've been told, sir.
I'll take it with you.
Ha kini ke juga sengi Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalet dru banjurep ya ke Cancer Wing jong Shillong Civil Hospital ban pet ke jinglong jingman ha ke jing penbiang ya ke jaka ajing sumar ya ke bayo ya ke jing pang kanser. Ha kini ke jing jurep ledan lang ujoin DHS Surgeon Superintendent ke Civil Hospital Shillong Dr. Andreas Dakar ki Head Officer jong ketenat kakot kakia bat kibai-kibai. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba ke jingwan jurep jung kalong ban pet ke jing pentrei kikam ha ke Cancer Wing. Namar ha kapor bawan len shop ke klam COVID-19 la pendan kam ya kene ke jaka kom ka COVID Center. kumta ki don kam ban pen kala bat pen baru ya ki kat tuk ani kijing don kam. Ulong bo udap da gajing sngo kumen ban saki ba gajing pentre ka kam kalaya cekmat. Ba lakmi lenti ba hakatayo benengkong jong ubanai no opera on pendap no gajing tei boper bat ban pentre kampura no ya kene kejaka ajing sumar. Menteri rangba ula pentip bakan nang syempor haga ban penpoi gitar ki batamai namar bahap banyat hagi bobon kiliang.
We came to the cancer wing of the civil hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So as you're aware that during the COVID time this was also used as a COVID center. And certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I am happy to see that a lot of progress has been made, and we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka singi palai jong katayo ulalit banjurep ikijaka ki badan haka New Shillong Township na kebenta bantai ya ka Secretariat kebatamai jong Kejelau Meghalaya. Haka ni kejing jurep le don lang Menteri Kampen Roysor uba asnyau Palang Dhar Chief Secretary Kejelau uba DP Walang bat kiwe-kiwe ki Head Officer Kejelau. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba kelet banjurep ya ki jaka ke berenang kesenong mau pedang, mau kasiang, mau diang-diang, bat mau pat. Ban pet digilong ki babit babiang na em mansnaya ke Secretariat ke batamai. Ulong baka sorkar, ka la itu ya ki arti ki jaka ha mau pedang, bat mau kasiang, bat kin sebisar benia ikini ki jaka. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakla don ke jing bentai ki jaka syakitenat sorkar kum ta lahap ban penbet ben penbiang ya kene ke benta. Bat lahap ban penbet biang ya ka. Bat kilala ban penbet biang ya kania bat onyo komba arspa arpo akar kejaka bat kene kejaka kala biang mansnai ke Secretariat bat kiwei pat ki office sarkar ulong baha ke jing jurep la syam ba kejaka kalong ke biang ba bat kam jengai tan ru na kanong ba Shillong bat menta kidang pet ikilat kelenti mansnai ki surok ban penesok bat kene katan ulong ru bahadian bakiladap banyatai sani hak jingelang jong kekunun menteri kumtakin sasyem ya karai ke bakhat do. Hagani ke jog kesngi Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat ubasnya Palang Dhar kilalet dru banjurep ke Shillong International Center of Performing Arts and Culture SICPAC kebadan hamau diang-diang. Kani gadi kesian ke baar bau menteri Rangba Kejelau umlet jurep ke SICPAC bat kesian ke benengkong ke ba ulalet banjurep kedai au no opera ke senam arhajar khat pra. Ban syupen kan mau ya ke SICPAC latih ke jaka ke badan gomba saupo akar bat aga jinglut ke bakot cispak sanpuwei poin lai-lai tor tengka. Bat eka kam kontrak la IT hak arpusan trik unampang arhajar khatsan pala aipor beri mensyena pendep apok ka laipuwe trik una opera arhajar khat pra. Ka SICPAC kandon ya ka multi-purpose theater gaban ngam brio hadu syajar news pasan pungut ka open air theater gaban ngam hadu arpo hajar ne arpusan hajar ngut ki brio ka black box theater gaban ngam hadu san spatam bat ka little theater na kabenta hapo san spangut ki brio bat kan nonru ka jaka ban peninam ne benda exhibition ka jaka penyang kali ka jaka pelang bat kiwe-kiwe bat hagade ka jaka on la ru ban penlong ya kita masa ki bahaya.
We have come here to visit in this Maujangjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire secretariat and government departments to this land, we have two options in front of us. One is in the Mau Padang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us, and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Mau Padang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we're in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.
Ka Sora District Demand Forum hakasi balang jong katayo kali kendo yo menteri rang ba kajela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban bud dien halor ka mat jeng dawa ban ai district Bapurano ya ke Sora. Bat kini kejingelang kelalong ke Besaiso haba ke Sorkar jela kadane kejing temu ban kentiu kordano ya ka Sora Civil Subdivision syaka district ke Bapura. Ka Sora District Demand Forum hakasi balang jong katayo kali kendo yu menteri rang ba kajela Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat kini kekenhuan keladap da kejing sengu tenat haba menteri rang ba ulakular ban kentiu kerdano ya ka Sora Civil Subdivision syaka district ke Bapura. Haba ikran beginong pathai kubor Secretary ka Sora District Demand Forum uba John Thaba ulong ba kejing kendo ban menteri rang ba kajela kelalong ke Besaiso bat kamtam haba ke Sorkar kerana kejing temu ban kentiu kerdano ya ka Sora syaka district. Ula pentip bau Konrad Kongkal Sangma unsapha ya kini kejing dawa shu Chief Secretary kejela bun bishar ya kejing dan kam haswa ban penkre ya kejing dan kam baro ban thawe ke distrik ke Bathamai. Uba John ulong bagidan palat ars patli kisnong hakathan Sora bat kini kejing kentiu kerdan syaka distrik kan ajing mentoi kipat ba bat kathan berokawai. Bat kini kejing kentiu kerdan ya ka Sora Civil Subdivision syaka Sora District kanang penkelut ya ka District East Khasi Hills bat kan penjanai bat peniajan ya ka Sensyar Khadar hapdeng kipat ba bat ke Sorkar.
Ya kani kam mentakin kani ka file mentakan next show Chief Secretary. Kadang si Mr. Unsa perbuat dia kani show Chief Secretary baru examine ya baru ni angle sejauh ni ka beri-beri kam district jami.
Kasanda pa hai piapan.
Kesentakan dia Sora iba si Mr. ulah clear pakan dia Sora.
Bila berpatai di Isnong di Bantup akan ke distrik ke piapan.
Kidon kumba aspatan di Snong. Ki bahap habro atli ki konstitusi joka Sora bat sila konstitusi. Keketeng joka distrik ke Sora distrik proposi.
Sora district.
Kumagalong ka Sora Civil Subdivision dengan juga ikan Sora district.
Macam tu kadang political pressure kalau penjauh distrik.
Oh ya, kemudian political pressure. Kemudian, kadang kami ini jahil lagi beberapa, kemudian political pressure kan. Nak kalian di nomor ikmat, dia terangkat bagi ini. Nak kalian kami ni dong Sora, kami ni Sela kita terangkat bagi ini. Dia support jam ini. ina persen yang jurisdiction yang government harusnya aja rah kobi kan tu isi mestar sin menengkong di hangta yang ayah berok ki jurisdiction gede baka socio economic but developmental aspect jauh nikah di mana jauh imo tinggal kan tu maka seorang mentah ketika distrik berimdu apakah jelam ni kalian kiri distrik Muhammadiyah kita ayo ya kan lagi subdivision Muhammadiyah kita ayo distrik dan dekat seorang rasa pun kami ni kuat tiba ke government ni berubah ke juang ba banwara ya kan administration lagi kamjan yu pai ba tinggi kuat bahkan ni rukan nok kumta kan nomor pi kan pakai kis kau itu bakalian nak isa sihir buat cibin setang matan ulah ada beti bakal isa sihir kalau ayat palat ke distrik nanta ke congestion ke jur palat kanta ke Posilong tidak pun untuk dan kami hebat pihak ya ke isa sihir sakoi bat kembali atlet distrik bahkan minat suara ke kemudian distrik.
Yeah, so we had met they had come, the demand committee had come, and I had shared with them the different complications and challenges that are there when it comes to the district in Sora, because there are some areas of concerns which not be possible for me to explain right now. Verbally, it has to be shown on the map, but there are some challenges, and because of those challenges, we were not able to move the discussion forward, and therefore consultation had to be done at a much broader scale. After the committee has met me, I have assured them that we will take this discussion forward. I will ask the Chief Secretary to once again review this entire matter and call this committee if necessary, and discuss with other stakeholders also who are part of this entire discussion for the district. And after we are able to take and consult with everybody, then we can decide on the way forward. But right now, as I said, there are a lot of areas which need to be looked into, and concerns are there from different angles, and I think it's very important to discuss all those areas before any final decision can be taken. So the next step will be to call all the organizations and the members, and we'll be asking Chief Secretary and the concerned department to discuss and to share all the concerns that are there.
Ki pulit jong kathanat umyam kaliyo kem ye weurang ba bat kaliyo ban pelat ye me kawai kesamla kenthei kabala syara abor hala ujong pakhana da ka jing pen upshrep ha kawai kejaka ka badan halat umsaw ha ka distrik Ribhoi men ha ka arpusan terik menta ubnai Risau ar hajar arpuar kibor pulit kathanat umyam hadian ka jing ojing tip halor ka jing sya ra abor kawai kesamla luat marmar kilapan upshrep halat umsaw ke distrik Ribhoi bat hadian kat tu kene por kliyo bat kawai kali maruti bat yo ban plat no kene kesamla ke bala keno basyara abor bat la kem no uni urang ba banyak kene kali bat mu ra abor kene kesamla kat kum ke jingtip leyo lum loong ba kene kesamla ya ke ba amla ban penpau kerteng hang ni ke badang temu ban mi na lieng na kenci ban semairang na ke benta ke jing pulia jongka hakaba kelasong kawai ka kali kamai ka badan ya number ML not san yu ar nyau we nyau belanya ubrei ru pakhana jongane ka samla luat nreu ni orang ba ha kajaka banet chamairang ulakit bak e ka samla da ka baong banet chelong bat yat pan ka surok klau na mau maram ban mi shalat umsaw ka distrik Ribhoi lai thu ru ba ka ne ka samla kelas ngoper ka rukom ya lenti jong ni orang ba da ka bapanan kam ya ka surok ka bakenja klem dayat na ka surok mairang chelong bat kalapa jing tip syakatu kenengut ki parlok bat ki bahayeng ki bala pentip pat syaki pulit ka thanat mairang bat kumtahi ki pulit ki pentip pat syaki pulit ka thanat umyam dai hadian kumbaka tu kenepor bagi pulit ku umyam kelayok ban bat no kene ka kali rengkat bat unongnya balayok ban pelat no kene ka samla luat bat lara no cha thanat ban penlong ya jing to okit bat hadian la IT no syaki pulit ka thanat mairang ban penlong ya ka jing to okit ke bakam benia ha ke jing pla jong ne ka samla lut lo ong ru bo uni orang ba ulah persang ban keta akti nelek klam akor ya ka ha surok klau na mau maram salat umsaw
dengan pernah usul mairang balalu tusung yang sekarang kau kon dia ayu para try akmi dekat orang yang akmi kau linya la syai dengan kau UN surat tu bila sa mairang dengan di mentar lire dengan di belang di tre perio selap pening dengan pai dengan pai ko ayu po lai ba je lai sting thai dan tin teo dei kai di man ka snoi di ka moi di merwe sa kadi persenjaan dekat di kayo kadi ta ka bos na dari ta hadin te yi khin pa ho ngong sa phun jen mi ro ta da din ngong ngen chet yu sneng ta ka me de ngong ana ka hayu ngong en men khai ngamare hayu ka ang ka me ngong hana kana phi ka kliang ka phun ka kliang lui kai keren rap kata ka pur ka thut kali dum dam tengah su wanda we kali ngong ya di mai rang makanang ngan le nu hanu ngan di thot hadin nga chupun ni februar om februar ka kon nga kalong ta ti hanu ke en nga ti rap ngo khidi atayung wai mirang ko tri wai mirang nga to hadin phun dengan tanam mobile nga ke en ti rap tiga lut na hatin toy sedang phun na mobile tu we de ya kata ka uji are ngadala no nga kloi kon nga beli hoi here merang wana pun bor di asor
Mano ini ba yalam tai di mo ini ba kuno ini.
ni de bersa basyong ka kimi ka piao dong tu ba kalong ngas pratra
Dong ini jaga jing samia.
tingi barabor nga ngali genter bun yari step genter tingi yetu ko di tingi tips no ba yo kata ka dong ka jang ide ka we no
Mo tunal di baying.
bayi ni de bersa de yetu ka piao dong tu ba kalong ngas pratra
Don jing semua ini try bagi lale bakala ini try ba percaya kun.
bunu mga
Dong mai tu bara ya ne.
tips nga nga ro ne kanar bos sila jong taman pun ni bahaying ro kumnungan lek sabang pun giwe ka pateng nah din sa pun lang itu men nga sarang basa ti numer ngong ya ba ya lek lang hadam bala ong bala yo ba tas awan
Yang kali yung sen pin ain ba kanja air.
abdulawan lang bahaying ro ki ngamur ni to no mai ke
Dong ba imut ban 150.
em ga long kelas saya ka yu steam taksi Terong ba umdon isu amirang ba ya sarung te tu ka we ga don amirang ka lek step tu ada umdon su kau itu lek na mentang di ayo sa bam le patu ba rasa amirang tadi
Lagi semua ban 150.
na yin kan mi cha jaga yin wai ni mangi de na kan si tha yin wai amirang kami nasional ni
Kinong syong dukan hagayo la imkra ak sintok diang jong katayo kilamat ka apot. Haba kading kabala klang bha kalabam do ya bon phau teli kidukan bad iki jingdan jing em jong ki baro. Kane ki jingja kala penher sirngiu ki patba ki ba syong basa ha kane kathan. Ha kapor dang step perngap jong sintok diang kidukan ki bedanayo la imkra kila kem ding gensan. Bat kila syak penjular hakading kebala kelang bha. Kani kejingja kila penher serniau ginong syong shnong di basa marjan bat kene kayo hagaba omlak bantip hakanu kurukom ba kani kayo kala kemding kensan. Kat kum ki kubor ke belai olum na subajur ba kani kejing pluk kading kading namar kejing thut jong ke boarding elektrik. Nrai ki pulit kedang penlong ya kejing toket ban lap ya kejing sisa halor kani kejing pluk. Dai thoru ba kejing jular jong kidukan ke berana kani kayo kala kot ki paulak tengka. Nababon ki jing dan jing em gila syak bamdo agi tilit ding. Ki pulit penlip ding haba kili jing tip lo kejing peluk jing kene kayo marmar kila let bantem me kene keding kabla kelang bha bat hadian kejing akun kabla nek bun kenta kilala bantem kene keding khamtam bakat om pur ski bai pat ki jaka. KMLA jong ka Shillong East I Dr. Amprin Lengdo rengkat baru MDC ba Fanten la kadong ilawan poish kene ke jaka bat kila penpaw kejing sokya halor kene kejing jabas ngusi. Naba kinong syong dukan geladu no dukan jongki bat kene kalak tak joreki ban kamai keji. I Dr. Amperin rengkat bat ba Fanten rengkat bat kinong dedukan kilarai ban e kendo yo menteri rang ba kejela ban pensno kejing e jong kinong syong dukan bat ya kai kesenjam ban syem nang ne syakmat. Ki pulit jong kanong ba Guwahati ha kasing palay jong tayo kiliyo ban kurup yo kanja ubadan 8,000 sanspa kilo na kawai ke truk. Kat bagi dang penlong ya kejing talasi ha kijaka ki bahap apo ka Jorabat Police Post area. Ki pulit ka Guwahati kilamat kejing job ka bakraw. Ha ka ba kiliyo ban kurup no ya shibun kanja ya ubalayo ban kurup nagathan ka bahap apo ka tanat Jorabat. Ki Pulit ke Jorabat Belelam da Joint Commissioner Ki Pulit ke Guwahati Upartha Sarathi Mahan. Kleo ban kurup ya bon ba unu kenja kat ba kidang penlong ya kejeng talasi ha ke step sni palai. Ki Pulit kleo tu bayo unu kenja beleo ban kurup la yo ban bat nak ke truk ke badan new number HR Laipu Prati ar kendai Weilai ke badang wan na Manipur bat lecha Guwahati. Unu kenja belasyak kurup baro ukia kumba 8,000 kilo bat udai ubalatip kum u Manipuri kanja bat ubala song haki Laipu art di gisong ya kibala buri hapo jong ibernis ing hakan ngatro ya arnut kibreu la kemno akabedai bat kene kejing khayi bean ya unu kanja ya kini belas akem la itu kum Ashok Kumar na Haryana bat u Bhupendra Singh na Uttarakhand Ki Pulit klietho ru ba kador jong unu kanja baro ubalai ban kurup kasong dor kumba khatsan klur tengka. Unongwad RTI bapau kemat jong kejela uba dispersing rani. Ha kesimbaar jong ketayo lesai madan ya ka jingle asiliang ha ka beidai bat ka jingken tiu kerdan ya Ki Pulit penlipding jong ketanat fire and emergency services kejela. Bat ula syam badan ki badang syutrei ki bala kiu kerdan kat ba ki bala trei la kamslem kim syam la sya ban kentiu kerdan satya. Unongwad jingtip lembaga RTI uba pau jong kejela uba dispersing rani. Klaim da syong thaj ula beteng ban wat jingtip bat ha kesini baar jong katayo ula pentip ula syam bagadon ka kendrom kendram ha ke jingken tiu kerdan Ki Pulit jong ketanat fire and emergency services ha kejela. Uba dispersing rani ula ong bakat kum ke jingtip ki ba ula yo opriang ula syam bagadon ka kendrom kendram bat ke jing mam itu itau ha ke jingken tiu kerdan ni kinong trei ha ketanat penlipding. Ulong bagadon kejeng artatian ne kejeng lek silang khamat ha kejeng kentiu kerdan na kakam leading fireman show sub officer but station officer. Uba dispersing rani ulong bagi don Ki Pulit ki barang syutrei dang menno ndrai kila syak kentiu kerdan bat la kentiu ki kum ki station officer but ki sub officer. Ndrai ki bala train aduk kesnem syajar kendai spak prapusan haduk menta kim shimlayo ikanu-kanu kejeng kentiu kerdan satya. Ulong bakat kum kakai pot kebal IT dau PIO jong ka fire and emergency services. Lakdau syai ba kejeng kentiu kerdan na kakam leading fireman kalong kat kum ka kerdan. Kaba kila don netrei slam makakam. Hendrai ki bala trei slam makakam kim shimlayo asatya kata kejeng kentiu kerdan. Uba dispersing rani ula kentu yu Chief Secretary badu Director General Ki Pulit kejela bagi dai ban pensyai halor ke kendrum kendram ha kejeng kentiu kam ha katrat Pulit penlipding jong kejela.
Kiba joining Muslim prap kundai pulai penriu kundai pusau kundai pulai pusan bat kini kisop officer ki banai sujoin hau kundai pusan kundai penriu kundai be ar hajariwe ti kini ki officer ki banai sujoin nang man ogini ki police personnel ki sujoin nang manno kaliyo kiyo kardan syara kardan sub officer ane station officer ti habang apej ya ka seniorities list jong ni ka RTI report ne ka bedrong ba seniority list ngalap bagidon ki bal ajoan ya do pra fausan pra penriu pra penyu pra pulai kim pat yo promotion ndai ki yo kloi man kini ki bla sujoan yo RJRW kini ka pensya ya ta ka ka seniority list ti hne kani ka RTI ka pensya bagadon sya ka ta jinge penkiu kam hungtei da ka jinge de perlok oh hne la pensya le RTI report ngakali ba hakano korkom lala ban pai permission di gibreu te hangni ka permission hangni ki juba kolong ba ai permission di gibreu kat kom ka seniority list but ka merit list ka merit list ka dei haba gibreu kitre hinte hadien kat to kan ni ki yo training ban specialize ya kanu ka kam ge bede bat ki tiki bede bat tiki police bede ban tending te habang kalipat ka hakano korkom ba kibriyo kiyo ban training te hne la batai sai number 5 on the criteria for selection of personnel for that training are on seniority list and on rotation basis te hne la basai tai sai hne ka te report la ong ba kibriyo kibayo promotion la bias kat kom ka seniority list hne la batai sai ke jingkali kalong ba kumna ba ne kibriyo kiba dang sujoan ar hajarwe khandai penriu kiyo promotion kloi bani itu gibri belajoan do prapulai prapsa propsan penriu ti ni do jakal dak jinggeli ba ban ba police department ka don kum kane ke ke ba bomla ban priang ka force ka ba kana kani ka RTI do hne la list of airmen for promotion to leading post kum kinero kerteng ne kinero kibrio ki ba la join chwa ki mio promotion ki yo man da kini ki ban shu join nang mendo te habe dei ba kani ka jingyale ba a yang te po fire and service sing te po fire ki na kalang jonga ngala complain po ngala pan clarification da po Chief Secretary ber DGP kene ngala pam ta sngi stai but ka subject kalon clarification on status of promotion when the juniors employee supersede the senior the pan clarification da ka office jong Chief Secretary ber ka DGP for necessary action te be ga dei wani ngala pam ta sngi te ga jubak ngam pat yo abi dei ni
Uba des parseng ule thu bulapan jing tebru ka bedai bat ka jing pen khalem iki dieng ha apa shilong ban chnai ka surok bat ka jing slem ban od iki dieng hadien balade ban pen khalem iki bat ka dei namar ba ka tanat forest ka dan ka wei ka power chain ban od iki dieng ka wei ka wat lengkot wei usdie artli ki wat beno khat wei tli ki kukri bat ka wei ka hanso Uba des parseng uloang bagane kejing slam ban od iki dieng ki bladet ban pen kalem kala penlong iki pat ba ban uot haba kilek ki wan leng ba ka surok apa shilong namar kejing dheng kali da ki bon kenta uloang ba ka tanat forest kala yo shiklur sanlak ha kejing pengat iki dieng nado nyomer shadu sherpi bad uloang ba kani kalong ke ka bamla ban pediang namar ki dieng ki blapen kalem ki de ki ba kordor bat ki barem ba bat ki bamyo nang noru Ulang bawatlah ke kur kalang kalakam bagalong try ke jaka klau apa shilong henry kat kum kijing tip ke beli alum leng baga RTI katrat forest but environment jang kejela kalakam bagalong try ya kene ke jaka klau
ake i hagi benai bela dep kene ka kur kalang ga kam ye tu kerja ka tu baga ong baga jaka kur kalang dia be dei ben bagani ngala fai de RTI te kar kum ka RTI report ke benengkong la yo ba habe dei begini kitiar ke ba pen kitiar nam ta pen kam ban od iki dieng hne le thu yang ba ka powar chien ka mut ka powar chien tu ban od iki dieng idon tangi we ta de la pen sha ba ke jing slem ne ke dei ba idon tangi we ka ba ar ke dei ba ka wat benok wai lang kun ro don tangi we wai lang kun kat ke ke plus apa shelo ka ba lai sudi ro don tangi we ka ba sa ne ka wat benok ro don tang arteli buat mana kutri na yu kene tang selat ding saklau kene ka don do khatwe teli tika hanso kene don tangwe kene ada report ke penisha ba ka jing complain yu gibre wadi ke bisha nomor bale ka slem haban od igiding haba khlem makane maka surok perselon kene ka surok ka bakia ba nam ta ka lek ka wan yu pa iba nam ta ki sau santeli district te dagalong kumne ka desha ko ba complain pa iba ba ka jing slem he ka de bom don tia kene ka ati ai pot ka pinsha ta te habe de ba kene ka khandu pa ka te jaka ku balakam dagi kur kalang te hangne ka juba ki omba ka jaka ka clown te ka de jaka ka de be ka jaka la ni ka clown jong forest department bat ka environment department jong ka sarkar me khalia te hangne la penisha ba lese na ki kurgalang ki kam te inde hangne forest ka kam be ka de jaka joka forest te bedi ba ka ribunulan ki ribunulan kam de ka hangte kam de ribunulan hende ka de ka forest land ha bedi ba ka jingyo ajong kite ki balaot dieng te po perselong nadu nyumer sedu chene umserpi te ki jingyo baro hangne yathu yang ba halor ki jingpen he furleng ka total ka ba yo ofisa kalong siklur sanlak nero be da jingle ba ba nomor ba kumno nadu nyumer syadu sepi pengat ki dieng kat tu ka jingyo kalong tang siklur sanlak ti kalong ke ka ba mla ban pedang kitu ki ba experience na kalani wai klau ki tu khamha ka dieng te ka syong hadu ar hajar tam sikubit maka di ke ding saw ka ding ba kardor ba juyo ra no di kene ke jingyo ahni ki om yo tang siklur sanlak te ka bamla ban piang wala ka taro ka ba don RTI te ka syong ba de ha ka syong ba ha ko men me khalia ba kan wat bnya ya kene namar ba kene kalong ba ka sur jungi ba kalong ka bamla ban pediang
Uba des parseng uloang ru baulo yo priang gi jing ujor na kipat ba bagi dan kiseng bhalang ki ba penthot gi kam penroi bad uloang ba umshim la keno ya keno ka seng bhalang nrei ulish kuntu abagi le keno ka kam ki de ban le ka jing start Ulang bagi company ki bela register bak sarkar Pedang deban plat no yaki na kajing pentreka make Interstate Migrant Workman Act. Kenang bagi nyok bantri sup ki kampen roy kamtam ha kajing snaya ki surok.
Kani dengan talk ba palat ke ba ong bagi NGO kita kiseng ki ba don jide ba kita geleno ki ba shumit tang ada wapisa ki ba kakam jong ki kalong dan pentut ya kayo akot jong setiap. Nah klem kumba mi kenika siti suditor ka arpu itadik arja ka saw kani siti ka akan palat persa ya ki seng balang mention on ne KSU NYF PJP ba HYC yang ni ti nga klem kumba pentho kini ba ong kiseng balang kide kiseng dawa pisa kide kiseng badon jede be no dan kita kiseng ke ba shumit tang kata kali dawa pisa na company naki wiki ba dei ba development kini nga klem kumta kumba klem une Clifton lengdo aga apu itadik Julai arja ka saw nga klem palat nga si ong ba nga kentu sing halang ba habale gano kam le dak jing start kemut kalong kajing start nga wala ban ong ba kala ban don gaan ke ba ong kum kemikhalia Mekhalia Interstate Migrant Workman Act kadon kumita kaan ba pero gidong tray hap register poka labor ti nga klem ya kata kaan ro nga klem ba punun kam jing start namar ba ngayo complain do kalong kumta jing start kemut kalong ba kumbangal afais ka na afais po Delhi habede ba kanika kajing ino jong ne company ka batray kini sulok na po service po melim ngala afais po company po ka Ministry of Corporate Affairs namar bali ni company ki hap po ka registration jong ka Ministry of Corporate Affairs tinggal afais ka RTI chatai ong ngakali kita bali kanika company sange kini surok na kali kita ndai du mentang pat yo kata juba ti ka jing temu jong nga kalong ba lakum no la da kita kiseng balang gide ba start kidai ban kentu la ne pressure kanya ko sarkar ba lakum no gide ban pelat ye gini kini company ke ba register ba central government leng ba corporate affair ban pelat kanya gitu baki nom hak kanya poke Interstate Migrant Works Act baki nom hak kanya gitu kenang ba kini company ke ba register ba government of India kini atri sup kanya kano development kamtam kasurok
Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bad usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong. Hak kesipalai jeng katayo kila plepat ba yak auditorium ki kamera pule ka surok rong bat kiwe ki jingtai ki batamai jangka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong. Kabelong shibenta na kajing penbah bat kajing penyar ya kene kejaka pule. Kum shibenta ban penklan ya kawe kejaka pule bakan la ban ai kajing syakri ka bakam bhai ki samla pule. Hakasi palai jong katayo Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula plepat ba ek auditorium ki kamera pule bat kiwe ki jingtai ki batamai jangka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong ka bahap halai mkra. Menteri Rang Bak ula plepat ba ek artili project kata ban snai ek auditorium bat ki kamera pule leng ba ka jingbai tengka jangka NEC bat ka rusa. Kabala bai tengka ban tei bat penbhai kene ka pule. Kadbau sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong ula play ke surok rong kabalashna da ketenat PWD Roads. Hagani kejingalang ledon rengkat u Commissioner Bak Secretary ketenat Puli Putih u Dr. BDR Tiwari ka Principal Jong ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong i Dr. Mrs. V. Karmoplang ki Head Officer Sarkar kinohikai ki samla puli bat kiwi-kiwi. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma habakren kum u Kongsan Ulang bakaran kejing dawa ke bajur kene kejaka pule na kebentai ke bakwa banyo kejaka pule. Kumta kalong kebedan kam ban penyar bat penhe kene ke college. Bat usngo kumen bani I bagladan kejing penhe ya kene kejaka pule. Ulang bak sarkar jela kelabu hakmat ke pule putih wala kamat ke babon kejing La kade kejing bambiang kejaka pule kejing aji hikai yakino hikai kejing don bon kerdan kino hikai ya kebaon omla ban penkelan le no mentahi namar kendon bon ki benta ki bahak banyat hakelenti ke banlong ke berhenti u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bag sarkar kela pendon kam daga khajna ke beli alum naki marpo khendo ban kentiu ke Puli Putih bad ki snem ki bamenswa ke sarkar kam shimla pendon kam ya ke nega khajna uba Preston Tensong ulong bakino hikai kilong ke bakong san bha hagaban ai ke jingnang jing start bat ulong kumne kumba ulong menta kedai namar bakino hikai kila ai ke jing hikai. Baru ulong baka sarkar kan cemkia bahak isnem ke banwan kan nilai ban penlong ya kejela kum kata kebabit kebabiang tam hakalan ke pule putih.
We are called to dare, we are called to share, we are meant to live for all. We are called to live, we are called to give, to build a better world. And now is the time for us to start. Now is the chance to give our hearts for everyone who needs our love and care. We're gonna climb a little higher, reach the glowing star. We're gonna work a little harder, no matter it may be far. We're gonna build a lot more bridges, breaking down the walls. We're gonna work hand in hand to build a better land.
You're aware that education has been one of the top priorities for us. And when I say that, I know that a lot of people expect that, everything should change in a matter of years or months. But the education sector in itself is one of the biggest challenges, I should say, for the state of Meghalaya. Because the kind of systems that are existing right now, the kind of lack in infrastructure that we have, the kind of lack in training that we have, the kind of different categories of numbers of teachers. We have more than 26 categories of teachers in our state right now. And we have almost close to more than about 16,000 schools as we speak and colleges right now. Whereas compared to our state of Meghalaya, like a state like Manipur, which is equally in terms of population and area, they have close to about 5,000 schools. So we have almost 3 times more schools than other states which have the similar population like ours. Have just 25% of the number of schools and institutes. So clearly shows the kind of challenges that are there, and these cannot be changed in one day. These require efforts to be made and systematic efforts, because there are people who are engaged in this, livelihoods are affected in this, huge financial implications are there, set systems which need to be then changed needs to be done. These things cannot be done in one swift blow. It requires us to systematically move and change things, and that's the reason why education is very, very complicated sector for us in our state.
Ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya branch hakasin thok ding jong ka tayo kala penlong ya ka annual day celebration jong ka junior but ka youth Red Cross. Daga ba penlong ya ka jingelang ha ka headquarter jong ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides ha ka nong ba Shillong. Kum shibanta jong ka jing rakhi u executive member jong ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya u e Gowenka ula penhere kalama jong ka Red Cross ha ka balaidon lang gidkhot jong ka Red Cross ikong Amelia Swear ikong B Thangkeo bat gidkhot jong ka junior but youth Red Cross. Hagan nigasngi la penlong ru ikajing kop rawai kajing kop shat kajing kop riam tenrai bat kiwe haga bagi kena naki skol baper bat kumjo kisamla pulia naki college kile shimbanta haga ban peni yala kasap kapong ue gobenka ulasam ki khusnam chaki kena bat kisamla ki bela job ha kijing kop baper Catholic naga Nongpo Parish. Kala pediang buram yo Reverend Father Angel Fernandez Artime, u Rector Major jong keseng selok Kisalation Udon Bosco. Ubalawan syakane gejela, komsi benta banyo esyem benta kejing rakie, ya kejing dap shispa senem, jong kejing wan ki missionary na kejing selok Kisalation Udon Bosco. Hashwa kejing rakie jong keseng selok Kisalation Udon Bosco, ya kalengko senem shispa. Nado bakakan huan jong ki missionary Kisalation Udon Bosco kilawan banyo kejat syakane katan dalam mingi keri India. Ha ka arpundro trek risau hajar arpuar ka Balang Catholic Nongpo Parish Club Diang Burom ya kejingwan jengo u Rector Major kaseng Yeselok Kisalation Udon Bosco SDB u Reverend Father Angel Fernandez Artime u balawan banyo kejat ha kasian ka baar. La Pediang Burom ya uni Rector Major Hashwa buun wan Shilong da upadar rangba ka Nongpo Parish u Father Peters Imle ha kajing dan lang u Father Paul Ofendro Lingkot Provincial ke Shillong Province ki padar ki sister bat ginong ilam niam bat kento bru ki kena school bat ki kena school barim ke St Paul's High Secondary School Nongpo ka kenhon SDB kan rakhe ya kajing dap shispa senem jong kajing wan ki missionary na ka seng selok Kisalation Udon Bosco ha ka lai potri gurisau hajar arpuar ha cathedral halai mkra akanong ba Shillong. Haba ajeng kerana kani kejingwan jengo ya ke Nongpo Parish. Uniu Rector Major ulai mensiam ya ke Nongpo Parish. Barok kewei bat kumjo ru ikislam ajeng nangjeng start ki bela penyad da Kisalation haswa kejing rakhe ya kejing dap sispa senem. Ulai ru iki kentian kentukan pam syabarok kenong kitkam ki kena school bat kiwe-kiwe bagi de ban long ki beteli bani iet iwe bat ban trishtam krang begin kiau keji im jongki kham tam ban long ru ki bat tip breu tip blay ha keji im jongki
And the shawls, also the beautiful flowers.
Benvenuto tra noi. So blessed to have you here, 'cause you are a father so dear. Your smiling face makes us always cheer, and we can feel your love and your care. Together we raise our voice, Signore. Together we make a choice, together we say, si possiamo dire. Welcome, welcome, welcome in our midst. Benvenuto, benvenuto tra noi. Open it to the sides of the time.
Hatur fitip na video Udon Bosco. Hoi ne. Allora, Don Bosco diceva ai ragazzi, alle ragazze, che voleva a tutti felici. E come Udon Bosco qua è na kikun sama na pengi knaskol, kaya Banlong kiba, kemen. Banlong berbor kiba, kemen kita Udon Bosco qua.
Noi vogliamo vedervi felici e prepararvi per la vita.
Kublai pi barok kerbang yang kublai ya ka polawan hang ban daringkat bangi ki khonjung Don Bosco. Ini dengan sini kebakrawe ha ka jing selo jengi khonjung Don Bosco. Maka yang kesem jong Don Bosco ha kini ka province jongi Shillong province. Maka kerbang ha kini kari boy ha ka bau klido jong kaseng solution bakerpang badai ubah shipo un babi bujli ya Don Bosco bakerteng Angel Fernandez Artime. Uri klido ni hot rector major klido jang kasing solution. Dia kejingwan kejung daus kasngi nado mendang singi arpenyo hado laipo kadai kejingwan bandaring kabringi yang katakan kasnem jang kejing aingu ya kejingwan jang ki solution hagre spa snem. Nado sieja kena spa arpuar ngiwan hado menta arjar arpuar. Dia kejingwan jengo jengu golong ban daring kabringi ki khun jang Don Bosco bon ai mensi mengi bon ai ngi kita mensi ong ban nyai chakmat bangin wat pa syakawi pa kaspas nem kaban kabaar kabang mangin sedang nado menta tigani kin kabang mangi sultanat sia jungwan ju ai kublai ka pange ya karib hoi broko ka police department par kumyo ya sarkar jung Meghalaya kabala ai ngi kini kala ka pange bakin suma sukheri u bandarin karan baru barkani kin kabang mangi kwa bandarin kar barpi bangi nya dwai ya kini ke igi bau blai lale kerpange kini kedong setai lamingi ya kejing dapat si spas nem jong jingwan jong ki khonu Don Bosco sya kini kedong setai lamingi desai sin kublai sibun abu blai nang kerku kedo igi kerpange iki khon sama
ngi em ha ka jok ka ba ka jing nang jing start kalong ka bakongsan hado kata-kata Hendrai lara ka sarkar kampret jingmot ban penbiang ki skul bat ki we de ki jing don kam tam ha ki thanong kendong sya ai ka lawe jong ki khon jong ka jela Hendrai da ka jingdon pat kiseng balang ki bapet perman ya kene kebenta ban kedawi ki jingduna sya ka sarkar kalong pat ke jing ai mensim ya ki batrang ban plet jingmot ha ka pule puthi ha ka arpusan terek menta ubnai risau ar hajar arpuar ki artli ki snat trekam jong ka khasi students union ki bana ka thanong kendong kilawan kios kenong ba shlong bandawan ka sarkar ban penbit penbiang ya ki jingduna ki skul sarkar bat ban kentiu kerdan ru ya ki Kawai neki kenhuan jong ka KSU Kebalawan Sya Secretariat akan ngesngi kadai ki Education Cell jong ka KSU South Khasi Hills. Haga bakinong yalam jong ka kenhuan hapok ka jing yalam jong Presiden Uri Bokstar Dengdo. Kilawan kendo iu Menteri Sarkar bakmi ketenat pule putih uba ala keban remboi. Rengkat ki jing dawa jong ki. Kamat ke bakongsan ka bakane ka seng kalapan pau ke sarkar kadai halor ke jing jong samla pulie na keleng ki shnong na kathan. Namar ka Sora Government College ke Belashimti de sarkar na do kesnam arhajar kendai kadang don tangka arts stream. Kumta ke seng kala dawan ke sarkar ban sedang no ya ke jing pulia saha ke science bat commerce stream. Halor ke benta ba la kemen rumboi ulong badan kam ban pendap shwa ya ke yeng ke bamenta bat ka kam kalia ceprang. Kadau ke baka KSU kala dawa ya ke science bat ke commerce stream ha ke college. Kadai namar bon ki samla on dakila pendep yakini subjek hadok kelas 12. Nrai bon ki pai kemat no asyaka arts stream. Namar kim kot bor banwan pulia syaselong. Hagani kejing kendo na kaliang uba alak men remboi ulong baka sarkar MDA ru kadon ka thong ban pendep no akani ka college ha ubnai kala lengkot ka senam arajar arpulai.
Yo i kejing jong ka than jung sethi ka Sora Government College namar mentar ladon chali sa ko tuli kisnam dini iba. Na borok sau putri kisnem gadon bitang yang kita di art stream. Dan ada empat ladu basyati kasokar yang sudah maraja kendai. Nagal yang isar ibadi education minister ila kular ba kila pek ba kila punya charge mat ya kejitrai. Pat kunjuru yang hadir benda pek ben upgrade no syaka science ka commerce stream no nagal yang jungi ba dan kam syai itu building. Tapi dai ben mata nagal yang jungi ila saki ba ka building kala ya charge ben trai hangti. Ti bat mentaru ila ong ba nagali ang kathong jong kani ka sarkar bamentahi ka ong ban pendep no hanu berai banwan banan kong ju sedam arajar kulai kani kathong jong ki na marwa ki kwa ban pendep bahaya ka thi ban nagaju ko poru nagali ang jongi ni sno thu ban nila ud lana nagali ang habi dai ba ki na marwa kani ka jing jong ki pradok rasna ba ki than jong isti ba im khamtam nadu ki por ba manshua ki por ki khana ki ba teng ki half shift no naka commerce ka science stream chapo ka arts namar ba kamdan shu ka jaka pule ka kham shajarong ka thai jong ko ko mangitip ngalai batai shai namar ba teng ka jing thmu jong ka seng hi hangni kamde ta ka science no commerce stream ru andre ka jing thmu hi ka balong hakmat du ba dei ba ya ka BSc ba ka Bcom te namar ba ngilai batai ba hapo St John ngilai adon ya ka commerce stream hapo Rama Krishna Mission ni don ya ka science stream ti kita bro ar teng ngila batai ba manlau sne mamduna pa pemut ki khna ki haban mi na po sa raban wan silo ti kidon ki kimi na lagang kaing kasem ki babit babiang nasi ki bala pendapat yang ki khon ki ti ben puli shu sejong hasor le sin marba teng sisen bakki hasor ni don kami ko bai geli ada kila ko bai school teng ko bai wai kadi ka bai jenjar than kham tam ya ki prado plus nam jung sethi nomor ba khambun sin hi kidangwan na po ka longing lok sem ko ba khamdu to pada ga ju ko por nagal yang jungi la kulas kem ba nomor ba kani ka kam dei ka kam ko basuk kin hapan pha ru na po kani hu kin yale ya ta ka inspection hakaba ninyo ban affiliate tiga Sora Government College habide ba BSc Bcom kani hu te de halo kata kanorim nagal yang jungi ga seng ba nilabu ruya ka wei ga thong ga ba le si kan deng de ga ba thamai ga ba nagal yang jungi sari lo ong ba kadi ga sin ko ba poi ha mi jongka education department nomor ba hapo khat arsnung ni don lalai pun repili kisnong teng kitu kisnong khat arsnung kitu khambun sin kidi kisnong ki bompal lai surok baki breu ki im nagarep karyang Henry ka higher secondary school kalong pada Bunathan siya adu kata nomor ba teng ki kimi ki pa ki wan kalong ing kalong sem ko baduk ki hapan be ya gabri nomor kala jenjar pa kala jangai ba na duna khat arsnung pin ki watang hang ni hamau jurong baki don kini ki Tirot Singh badai hakaya higher secondary school bakum juru sipo Sora ru kla simpor than na khat arsnung makani gadi kasin melokong ban nakani yang jungi yang ban persyang ban move ahead kamut ban ya chakmat ya kani ka jing terwa nakani yang jungi habide be kita khat arsnung baraga ju por ni de kermen scam ru banakali yang jong education minister ila aya ka lese ya ka kantin jungi galong ka scam nomor ba iong bang akwa ba ka kam kan sawa khamjam mani ka kantin ilong bang itmu ya ka building ka banongkong hapo Sora government me pendep be ha snem banwan jong na banongkong te haga ju por ni ru kermen scam ni kata nomor ba andala dep ka building ni lala ru banbu ya kata ka BSc la ni ka Bcom la ni nagal yang ka sarkar ka ibit kan bu senen ni kita ki science kan commerce ru habia de kita ki higher secondary
sa kawai pat ka kenhun jong ka KSU ke balawan kiyo sakane kenong ba Shillong bani kendo yu menteri sarkar bakmi ketenat puli puthi ubala ke ban Remboi kade ka KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District hapo ke jingelam jong education secretary Uai Nongrem hagani ka sngi kane ka seng kala dawana ke sarkar ban bu no ya ke District Institute of Education and Training Diet ha ka District Southwest Khasi Hills ban kentiyo ke puli puthi hagani ka district kabaar ke jingdawa kalong ban mang pisano na kabenta ban tungkam haki school lower primary kabala menjur ke sarkar ban kentiyo kerdan no sya ki kerdan upper primary bat halor kani ke sarkar kala ai ke jing menjur ban pha jurep ki school baduna no hikai bat ki school badan kam ban maramot nang tapat ban bu no ya ka SSLC examination center hakathan do lun bat wa kaji kaban pensuk ki kena kene kathan ban let tho examen matrik kani keseng kala dawaru na sarkar ban bu no ya ka residential school ha kasnong kalong kabala sa ateng menta lokum bash posnem ha ka ban kaliang menteri sarkar udong bon hab ban penbet shwa ki kenrum kenram bat ka bakhaddo kamat jengdawa kalong ban thungkam no ha ki school sarkar ke badan ha ka district Southwest Khasi Hills
te ka kebede bat ka pun bonengkong na kaliang ka isu Southwest district nilayo ban yakren ha kebede bat ka kaneka nomor kadon kawai ka school BIET hapo sakwang ya kabakani ya kanila snan duki snem arjar katsau arjar katsan dai menta ka along kana pending no te nakaliang ka jungi ngi pha habu menteri katanat puli puthi ba haibade halor kani kalong ba nakaliang ka department kadai bansim syamardor lani kadai ban pengkalano ya kani ka BIET sakadayat nomor kumbang isyam ba ibubun ki samla pulih po Southwest district ki hab ban lake shadow saka west hill kata stoy ban pulih ya ka dayat de kabaan kolong ban kumban nakaliang ka sarkar kala menjur ban upgrade ha ya ki lower government primary school syaki upper primary school te kumbang isaki lembaka director of school education and literacy lembaka letter no juga di SEL ABP P52020270 haka lightrik nombar arjar kue kabala menjur ba nakaliang ban upgrade no yakini ki government LP school syaki government UP teng nakaliang jungi wilayah keren batu election minister habedai berkani ban nakaliang julu udai ban penbiang no habedai berkinong hikai bat kawai kalong habedai berka ban increase iki building ten nakaliang election minister ulakular ba anda kita ki kila biang nakaliang julu pak mak jadi jika kita balai kalong ba ban wanra no ya ka SSLC sentar hatan ulun bat wakaji ten nakaliang jong ka isu Sawas district kumbersupan kan mau hakipor baladep ban lej ya kendu ya ki tenat puli putih jong ka district bat ko jubak kalong ba habedai bat itu balai ba kemon ra ya ka SSLC examination center po wakaji leni ulun kapnang kong kalong ba kis kabae namar ngidung duna palat percentage rai hakai jingyu jungi kalong ba kaneka undulun berdua kaji kala jangai polat haka bedai ban lek tho ya kita ki ban lek shadu kita ki SSLC examination center tikan dia akan liang jungi nila yakren aku election minister te ha bedai berkani nak liang election minister wong ni haban pet ni biang ya ka jinglong jong kadang kata ni kata sate tang ba nlak ban bu ya kata ka SSLC examination center
Ka seng samla kur lengdo nong laj ha kala sing uble jeng toyo kala penlong ya kejingelang ha ka dorbar hall ha mission compound Shillong. Bat ha kene kejingelang la penkup buram ya ke belawan skhamat ke jing pule ha ki kerdan boper. Ka seng samla kur lengdo nong laj ha kala sing uble jeng toyo kala penlong ya kejingelang ha ka dorbar hall mission compound Shillong bat ha kene kejingelang la penkup buram ya ke belawan skhamat ke jing pule ha ki kerdan boper. Hakani kejingelang layo kejingkren nau Dr. DRL Nonglaj, haka balaidon lang Presiden Kaseng Samla Kurleng Dok Nonglaj, uba BBL Nonglaj, badu Secretary Reverend RPL Nonglaj bat kiwe-kiwe. Ikong Magdalene Lengdok Nonglaj ila syem ne kebenta haka benetuk kana syapang kapan Nonglaj, kabali keriu slur, kabali ikun persya ya kipareng. Kaseng Samla Kurleng Dok Nonglaj, kala penkup buram ya ki bawan syakamat iki eksamen beper kum si benta ban ai mensim ki bagenang le bha bat ban minot iki jing pulia jongki kasamla bamelari lengdo nonglaj kebasong basa halum mau ba kalawan ra anam bat buram ha ka ba kalawan hakmat ne ka topper ha ka jing pulia medical and psychiatric social work specialization ha ka Mind Glow University ke badan negeri Bilan kasamla bamelari kelong bawala kawan na kelong yang kebeduk Ndrai namar kejing tresh tom bat kejing minot ubleru ulap play kilat kelenti ha kejing jongka
ngadap da kejing semua kemain ke Bekra nomor ba hagini ke Mangrove University ke Bangang ala ada pan puli na po ke Alvis College di hapok Mangrove University ke dan Shibon ki college di kalong ke ba smoke man nomor ba ngayo ya ka first rank holder na po Mangrove University wala dan Shibon ki kana de ngadi ke beningkong banganyo ya ka first rank holder hapok ka MSW Medical and Psychiatric Social Work Keting pelong jonga bangan le pen kuliah syabal keting krang jonga bangan yo susu ki jing kuliah ki bakham benia na kata nama banga kwa benia ke specialization jonga medical and psychiatric social work na kata kadau but keting kuliah jonga kade pe offline nama bangan le chete na 2016 banga pen 2000 ngalong na kalong yang ke badu ngamde na kalong yang ke beruspa ime jonga ide itang inong sujan hiyo ngatre hadu mentaru idang sujan ipapal jong ay ditang battery pumpkin ke business berat irabru te kalong ke ba pinlong ya bangan nang ya itu syudam namar bang habang apet ikik pa ki throat ya kadeng kamal ki mi na do nang step ki wan hadu na mi tang man penhe pensani tang man penang pen starting te kowe hi ke bangang alayo jang ni de ban le ke pa tam na benta ki mi ki pa but ka message jong na benta ki para ko me da benta ki ja bendre hi bro kowe kalong yai tre syudam yai mi non warning kuslay la da fide na kolong yang kabadok namar pa ublehi la da pipi tresh tam unple ka takalat kinti yai ngo yai dam hu unple ka takalat te yai minot katahi kajing minot hi kade ko bai ba uble nya da pipi la da pisu shong hayeng pisu thia hindi pi ong akwa ka tanga kwa ka ta em ka takam la balong pi hab ban mi na le yang pi hab ban tre pi hab ban do dam pi hab ban do thia nang tau so jo kajing job pinyo ban khet Kublish.
Hashua bang ne kemi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngin pen kan mau biang yepi ya kimat bakongsan jong kubor mentah katayo. Syak tak ti ki breu ki bomde ki khasi ha ki be shimbanta ha ga jingya rally ke FKJGP. Ya soi sekolah ke sarkar bat kanipko ban penmi boarding electric. On penlong ki sang bhalang ya ke jingya ki safe new trap mission. Let jurep Menteri Rangba ke Jaka ha ke New Shillong Township ban snai ke secretariat ke Bathamai. Bamdo ke ding ya ke yolat nkra syak tak jor ki nong chong dukan. Sanlak ai ke sarkar ke long keme bejap tak maksiar ha ke jingya ko be khun kti shabari. Bad kawai ke hospital Shillong ha ke kerdan jong ki hospital Bapau ha ke ri India. Kum shibenta ban plelat ki khna bat ki samla ke jela bagin peni ya ki sap ki phong jong ki ha ke jing tho poetry. Ko All India Poeters Conference AIPC Meghalaya chapter ha ke si palai jong ke tayo kala sam ki khusnam chikinong job ha ke jing kop ke belatip kom ka Meghalaya Poetry Competition ke bakhandai ha ke jing lang ke belalong ha ke Arts and Culture Hall ha ke nong ba Shillong. Ya kini ke jing kop tho poetry halor ke phang ka jing rakhe ke jing dap sanpo snam jong ke jela Meghalaya. Leishim benta da bongot ki khana skol bat ki samla ki bapule ha ki college. U hair officer pulet ubala shong that nakakam uba Marihom Kharkrang kum ukongsan rengkat bat principal jong ke St Edmunds College Shillong u Dr Silvanus Lamare kum u sebut kongsan kila sam ki kusnam bat kasong tengka shakilai puengot ki bala job ke jing kop tho poetry. Hagani ke jing lang le don rengkat ru ka president jong ka AIPC Meghalaya i Dr Streamlat Dekhar ka General Secretary ikong minimum lalu bat kiwe-kiwe ke bela syakot ngobha. Habakaran ke jingyalang ubak karkerang ulero ke AIPC ke bela penlong ke jingyakop ke belong kalat ki kena bagi samla begin say ya ke sub jongki ha ke tho poetry. Ulong ba ke jing tho poetry ke long ke bakongsan ban pen sapriang bat penslur ki samla begin tho ke poetry leng ba ke jing mudur bat ke rukom perkhat jongki. Ula kentui ki samla bakem dai bandan tang ya ke jing angnut ke bahe. Nrai ki dairu ban tristom ban la ban pen urlong ya ki jing angnut ha ka jing im jongki. Ha ka sen ke baning kong ka kenhun jong kinong ilakai na ke jela Meghalaya ke bami khmat ke ri India ban le yakun shabari ki layo ya ka khusnam ke bahe. Ha ke kenti ke sarkar Meghalaya kala pen isi syara ka kam ban pen kop buram ki breu lajong hadien bakilawan phayeng na bari. Ken thop ru ya ki bajob bat ki baklam job ikino kita kema. Haka arpun ro tarik mentau benai risau ar hajar arpuar. Kipat ba ke jela kentup ke sarkar jela leng ba ketenat sports and youth affairs. Kila pediang buram nado nakakat lingsun nga Guwahati. Ya kispongut ki rang ba kithe lakai ya kun khti hadien bikilawan phayeng ha ke negasni nagari Turkey. Na ke jela Meghalaya ki bami khmat igari India kila don khandai ngot baro. Sya ke jingya kop ya kun khti ke belatip kum ka 43rd World Arm Wrestling Championship but 24th World Para Arm Wrestling Championship kabalalong ha Turkey. Hagini ke jingya kop ikong Margaret Pathau ila job ya katak maksiar ha ke jingya kop ha ka Master 60 kg category ke jingya kop ikun keti da ka kadiang. But job ya katak marupa ha ka Master 60 kg category ha ke jingya kun keti da ka kamon. Kiwei pat ki bajob takma ha ke jingya kop ikentup ya ikong Angel Mary William Umlong Khun Siem ibala job ya katak maranong ha ka Master 60 kg category ka jingya kun keti de ka keti kadiang. Baduba Alexander Lengdo ubala job ya katak maranong ha ka Senior Man Para Hearing 80 kg category. Ya kini kirang bagi thayel akai ya kun keti ya kini kesngi kat ba kirang wan phai shalayeng. Lapen kop buram ya ki hasilan terlenti kabla sedang naduk nong po ya kabala pen kop buram da ka Khasi Students Union.
Kipok kedeng epi ba penyelek tentang tip ngintip ba pinodon ke program sam swing Shillong boleh try kendat mengri musmar dan meng dalang fibro pinodon apa yang kamet website lain ba pinpoi sup sign sejika gi program
Kani kejing penkop buram kala beteng sah ke Shnong Sning. Kabala penlong da kador barsnong namar bikong Margaret Pathau ide ibasyong basa sning. Kumta kajing pediang buram iki nong akai bat kajing penkup buram iki bajab takma kelalong kabakam syongkun.
Hading kajing ai sobha napo karibo eng jing thapti ke bajam. Tongin ai jing thapti ke bajam.
Ngayle pasya ya kanang Brazilian kata bala jumpat ya ka world champion hockey por ki ba menjua te bat kataro ngam shemla muddor ya la dia bangan yo ban job ya kan ka kenti namar ba ngayle ka bat ki world championship te namar kumban chu ongno de banga ngatrai shitom lemda ngatrai shitom te ngam yo ban yo ya kan ka nam ka jingjob namar ba ka competition kalang very tough haka international.
Abi kendo ini ki players ki bana kalang kiri jong partai nai ngatrai player interact ru kumno ki ka preparation jong ki kumno ka jing pelut ka jong ki ka ka bapisham na ki kiri.
Sha habang ya kendo bat ki we ki nongele ka ba pair ki Costa Rica, United States nang ta ki nong Russian kini ki nong Russian bit ki Kazakhstan ki nong yele ka ki athletes ki bakam tough baha hakanika arm wrestling te abang ay kendo bat ki tingi interact kumno ka practice junki kalong babon sin hi men step kadai sau kan ta men step ar kan ta men ski sau kan ta jan miet te artat ba ka sarkar ka ailat bahaya ki bakin yele kai kalong rukum kum shibenta ka jing siu ka don te yaki bikin yo ban prepare hana banta ka world shisien bekila asha select ha kinu ki European Cup kamut kila long eligible baha ban participate ka world te ka practice jing ki kala long advance palat ban yangi hadu ki equipment ru ki tiar yale kai kila long very advance long kumangi impat don than kum kita ki machine ki ban rap yangi hakaliang ka speed lani hakinu ki liang ki bangi don kam kanya ka practice tingi pat bon sin hi ka practice kalong manual but bon hi kalong manpower ni pendon kam dikini ki tiar ki badang long kimpat long advance te dei kata halor kataru ka bam ru ka dei ka wei ka bayarap iki athletes ken kumno ban bam ka porthia kumno pat kan kumno ka por rest jon ki ken
kani ka jing le ka jong stage porter ki te kalong ka ba adu kata ladangim shem lapan kre bun snem te ka shem jing hi ka ba ngin la banya compete bat ki way bat ki chạy bên rêu trong partai kan namar ki la klan shba palat sansha jing klan trong ki मैं जब आका master category 60 kg
ka jing angno chu nang ni sakman
uang nadu mensim nama mentang awan balai te ya kan next event kan sawan next year uang ka jing thang jong ban yo gol yo so jing job kan
Kat doe kajing penkup buram ka bakham he kadai hakanong ba shillong ha ka state convention hall ya ka bala penlong dak sarkar leng ba katnat sports and youth affairs bat hang ni la saki ha ka sien ka banding kong bala le buram ikinong ila kai na ka ni gejela ka mi khamat igar India ha ka jingelang ka bahe bat ka basyongkun ha ka ni jingelang le don lang na do menteri rang ba gejela Conrad Kongkal Sangma Menteri Sarkar uba kami ekatnat Sports and Youth Affairs uba abante dor lengdo Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F Kharshiyeng bat ki wede ki officer sarkar hagani jingelang lawan bansaki di kinongel akai na kaleng gejela kumjo ki bahayeng bahasem jong kini kinongel akai ki bonye kon nagari Turkey hagani kasngi nalor ka jingpen kup buram ye kinong job asam kusnam ru eki da ka song pisa bat ikong Margaret Pathau ibala job tak maksiar bat tak marupa yelio sanlak tengka kat ba ikong Angel Mary melim umlong bat uba Alexander lengdo kibala job tak marnong kelio marsilak tengka bat ki nyongut ki weipat kiba klem job tak ma kelio mar sanpho hajar tengka Nelor kini ginong job akan ke jingelang la ai kusnam da kepisai ki arngot ki weipat ki ba job takma ki weipat ki jinge kop ki long shabari bakentop yo ba Raymond Nongklau ubalio arlak tengka bad uba don bor rumnong sanpo hajar tengka.
Is receiving a cash of rupees 1 lakh citation and remembrance from Mala Station. Congratulations on Rizal for your achievement. She received a cash of rupees 1 lakh citation and mementos from Mala. We are really very happy about women here, and we look forward to more women participation and winning medals for our state and our country. Congratulations, Margaret, for winning the trophies for our medals for our state, our country, and she's receiving, as Sir had mentioned, 5 lakh rupees as a citation and a medal. Congratulations, God bless you. I wish you the very best in the
Te parlok da ketua ngila pois ke bukut jung thup kubor jung imenta ke janmien ngin se syam yang berpilih syam tayo hakejuk kesngi bat hakejuk kopor kublai shibon ke kopor jung pi bat chaso.